Dear Summer, if the quiet before the storm was an image, this would be it. As the sun rose from the east, word about a tropical depression, growing aggression coming from the direction of the Yucatan, began making headline in every meteorologist's studio. The signs were as clear as day. The sloth-like arrival of this depression was bringing spontaneous showers, giving you the conviction that the storm was large. So it's out with the sun, in with the windshield wipers. As the storm steadily closes in, you begin to see that it has its beauty. It has its level of coziness. It being the storm with enough consistency will put Miami Beach in a frenzy the following morning. The following morning. Water ankle deep. Rain boots are going to be a much needed accessory for the next 5 months. After a couple of hours or so, the water receded. The sun makes its entrance. It's humid out, but the air is a lot cooler. Just not as much humidity, but you can still feel it. And then it's back to the basics. This event was documented in the first week of June 2022. Hello, storm season. Dear Summer.